We love Hyatt houses for these kitchen. It's always a real treat to have a kitchen. How many burners do we have? We have two eyes, the microwave. Let's see if it's fully stocked. Yes, we have our cutlery and knives. Down here, we have some pots and a strainer, so we are good to go. Washer or dishwasher, I should say. Have your glasses up here and plates to eat off of, even a measuring cup and some bowls. So we are stacked up. We are ready to go. This is a great treat. A little bit of a refrigerator and a freezer down there with a nice island to enjoy. We love a Hyatt house with those kitchens. And then we come into our living quarters. How about a nice big couch, which is classic for Hyatt Place? This should be a sleeper, and yes, it is. Have the whole family here to enjoy with this nice swivel TV. You can watch from the couch, or you can watch it from your nice king bed with two bedside tables. Got some art on the wall, cool little wallpaper. Then we come to the bathroom corridor, come into our closet. We have our iron and everything in there. How about a safe? We will turn around and we have some more drawers. I'll put my bag up there. And then here's the bathroom, pretty bright. Got some art there, toilet, and we have lights all the way around. We have our classic Hyatt House products, maybe Hyatt Place products as well. They are in the shower. The shower head looks like that. And you have plenty of room in here. This whole space has plenty of room. This whole room has plenty of room. I can dig it, folks.